What's going on YouTube? And today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is going to be of the Arsenal. The Arsenal is an intelligent camera assistant and it's there to assist you in taking quality photos. For some of us who are maybe not as professional and are working around cameras like most and have the just the skills necessary in education. This device right here can also help you, dang birds. The device right here can also help you take time-lapse for maybe cameras who don't have a time-lapse, or like my SL2, or people who are not the best at taking or know the settings. This will help you. This also has a mode where you can tweak every setting even while you're in time-lapse. This device can help you do photo stacking. If you don't know what photo stacking is, it's basically it'll take 3 different photos with different exposures and different focus points, and it'll stack them together and make a perfect crisp picture. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. This is exactly how I got it in the mail right here. It came from Hong Kong. It used to be a Kickstarter. Now they're a full-fledged company. It runs you about $200. I'm not that great at taking photos, so I thought this might help me. I'm not gonna go out and take any photos. There ain't gonna be any quality testing and stuff like that in this video. This is just gonna be what's in the box. I haven't seen it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and start opening it up. I already opened up this box so I wouldn't have to fumble with it on camera, and we're gonna dive right in. So going in the package here, you got like a black, I'll pick that up. We have like a black and teal package right on the front, nice smooth, it's pretty nice. You have a little bit of details on the back. It tells you that you can use this wireless control with your phone. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. It says capture amazing photos. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, and right off the bat they give you a nice little thank you card. It says thank you for choosing Arsenal. Visit the website to get started. And here's the device right up in front. Right, first thing you open is right here, this little Arsenal device. This is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I didn't watch any videos on this or anything except for the Arsenal YouTube channel, but I didn't notice the device. It's actually, I thought it was going to be like the size of the box, but man, this thing is small. It's probably about 2 inches by 1 inch, so it's really small. It's going to sit flush right on top of your camera. Hooks right up to mount on the top of your camera, so that's pretty cool. It comes with a charge. It's blue. That's nice. Let's see what else we have in this box. Alright, taking that out. We got a charger cord. It's nice that you come with a charger cord. A lot of things don't come with charger cords. Oh, we have your cube. Let me get this out right here. Now, you buy a lot of other devices, they don't come with a cube, so it's nice to come with cubes. This is the American version of the cube. Depending on where you can buy it, you get different cubes. And this cord, when you purchase it, you go ahead and tell them what camera that you have, and they actually send you the cord that has the hookup for your camera. And which this is for the power, but anyways. And we also have your cord to connect from your Arsenal onto your camera. And this is the cord I was talking about that they personalize for you for your camera, because your Nikons, your Canons, they're all going to have different cords. So when you're in the settings, you want to go ahead and pick what camera you have so you get the right cord. Now, picking up this cord might not be too much if you do choose it, and I'm pretty sure they'll swap it out. But that is pretty much what's in the box here. In my next video or another video, I'll go ahead and take some photos and go over the quality test and the app and kind of check out what kind of photos we can get out of it, and compare it to the photos I can take, compared to the photos someone else maybe took on the Arsenal. We'll look around the internet and what the Arsenal can do. Now, I know it all might depend from person to person on how the photos turn out, depending on the camera you have, the quality of the camera. You might have a $2,000 camera versus a $600 camera, the lens you're using, a $100 lens compared to a $2,000 lens. It's all going to make a difference when you're using the Arsenal. And in my videos, I'll go ahead and tell you what lens and what camera I'm using. Well, I'll already tell you right now, I'll be using the SL2. And then the lenses, I'm not sure. We might use the stock one that came with it, or I'll use the Nifty 50, but we'll go ahead and check both those out. So if you don't want to miss that video, go ahead and hit that like and the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on that video that comes out. And stay tuned, and we'll be back at it.